everybody. Okay, now today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair. I'm going to start off with some water and some coconut oil. Yes, y'all, I'm running completely out. I just left a little bit so I can put it on my edges, but as far as putting it through my hair, I do not have enough. So in place of the My Fluffy Puffs Regal 7 growth oil, I will be using coconut oil. Alright, so I'm putting the coconut oil through my scalp. And I am re-moisturizing my hair after, I think it was like a week and a half. It needed to be re-moisturized. And my scalp is very irritated because, of course, I don't have the oil that I love so much. It's not available right now. So as soon as it's available, your girl is going to get a couple of bottles. And I am putting the coconut oil throughout my scalp in that section. Bring it all the way down the shaft, and I'm going to detangle. And I only detangle with water and oil, you guys. And my hair stays super duper soft. You see, my ends need to be cut. And I'm gonna have to go and get that done. I'm just detangling. Make sure you start from your ends and work your way up. Okay, and I'm going to spray some more water just to make sure it's nice and moisturized. And I'm going to take some more of that coconut oil and I'm going to put it down the shaft of my hair with prayer hands just to make sure every strand gets coated. And I'm going to 2-strand twist that section. Just spraying a little bit more water just to make sure my ends are nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to twist that up and put it into a band knot. And that's how I get all those beautiful curls. Alright, and I'm going to do that with every single section. I'm going to spray it down with some water. Put that coconut oil in my scalp in each section. And then detangle. Y'all let me know in the comments if you've tried just the water and oil method. Let me know if you've tried it yet. How it's working for you. And how often do you guys comb your hair? Because I don't comb my hair very often. I comb it once before wash day and then on wash day. That's it, y'all. I don't do a bunch of combing to my hair. My hair, most of the time, it stays in twists unless I'm wearing my natural hair out. But yeah, I don't do a lot of manipulation to my hair at all. I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up in a bantu knot. You guys, please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. I am going to have some really great content coming for you guys. Oh, and in the mail, you guys, I got the what do you call it? Oh my god, it's a highlighter that Jackie Aina is collaborating with Artist Couture on, and I got it in the mail, and I want to review it for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm gonna do like a makeup tutorial. Let me know by thumbsing up the video if you want to see that on this channel, and comment and let me know also. It's called LeBron's, I believe this was. Yeah, LeBron's, because she had Le Peach and LeBron's. So, yeah, I cannot wait to try that out. And if you guys want to know like my wash day routine, I have it on my channel of you know, the conditioner that I use and the shampoo. I have all of that on my channel already. If you're interested in that, I will link that in this video. But yeah, I have a little piece of I don't know if y'all see that in the front of my head, a little piece of dandruff. Yes, y'all, my scalp is so irritated, it's not even funny. Because I don't have that oil. I told y'all when I use that oil, I don't see any dandruff, but I haven't had any, so my scalp is getting irritated again. Alright, and we are done. Finally, this is what I do at night to my hair. Most of the time I do not comb it out. I just spray it, moisturize it, and just twist it up and then bantu it up. I do not comb it, but this time I did comb it. And I put this big scarf on here that my daughter gave to me. So I don't know where she got it from, you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.